The world you were promised is already disappearing. It's not happening in decades or even years. It's happening right now. In the very moments you spend working, scrolling, or planning for a future that no longer exists in the way you imagine. If you're still thinking of AI as just another tool to help you work a bit faster, you've already lost the race. This isn't about productivity anymore. It's about fundamental existence in an era where intelligence is a utility. What we're facing isn't a job crisis, it's a mindset crisis. Your skills are depreciating faster than you can update them. Section 1. AI as a trainer. Most people assume AI makes us dumber. That's a fundamental misunderstanding. It forces you to iterate, to fail faster, and to find the signal in the noise. This is the first step, using the machine to sharpen the man. This training phase isn't passive. It's an active dialogue between human intent and machine execution. You learn to direct complexity. The real shift happens when you realize the AI isn't doing the work for you. It's providing a high-fidelity mirror of your own thoughts. It shows you the logical gaps in your reasoning. It forces you to be more precise, more rigorous, and ultimately more human. This is the trainer effect in action. It's uncomfortable because it exposes where our thinking is lazy, but it's also the fastest way to grow. Section 2. Taste. In a world of infinite, cheap output, the ability to recognize excellence becomes the ultimate bottleneck. AI can create a million variations, but it lacks the judgment to know which one matters. That judgment, your taste, is developed through exposure to greatness. Taste is the invisible thread that connects high-value work. It's what allows you to curate a masterpiece from a sea of mediocrity. Consider the mechanics of precision. AI provides the parts, but only human taste provides the assembly that creates true impact. Pattern recognition is the skill of the decade, seeing the connections that an algorithm is blind to. This is where your edge lives. When everyone has the same tools, the only thing that separates you is the quality of your judgment, your eyes for excellence. Excellence is a choice. In the past, that choice was constrained by your technical skills. Today, it's only constrained by your standards. What do you accept as done? What do you define as great? This is the work of a curator. This is the work of taste. Section 3. The hidden risk. The danger isn't being replaced, it's being busy with things that no longer provide value. AI rewards judgment and strategic vision, not manual effort. If you spend your energy on what an algorithm can solve in seconds, you are making yourself obsolete. Irrelevance isn't a sudden event. It's a slow drift into doing tasks that no longer move the needle. You're busy, but you're stationary. The real risk is becoming a human-shaped bottleneck. If you're the one slowing down the process will eventually route around you. We must shift from being the ones who do to the ones who see, the visionaries who can direct the machine's power toward a meaningful goal. Don't fear the machine. Fear the version of yourself that refuses to evolve beyond the tasks the machine has already mastered. The future rewards those who can look at a field of infinite possibilities and pick the one that matters. Effort is cheap. Vision is expensive. Look at the scale of modern intelligence. It's a vast ocean of data. If you're just another drop in that ocean, you're invisible. But if you're the one navigating the currents, you're the leader. The risk of being busy is that you never learn to navigate. You just float until the tide takes you away. I'm telling you this because I want you to be the one directing the machine, not the one being bypassed by it. The replacement won't be a dramatic robot revolution. It will be a quiet transition where those who can't think alongside the machine are simply no longer part of the conversation. You have to decide which side of that line you want to be on, and that decision starts with how you spend your time today. The transition is already well underway. You can see it in the changing landscape of our cities, our offices, and our very thoughts. The world is reshaping itself in the image of intelligence, and it's happening faster than anyone anticipated. The real question isn't whether AI will replace you. It's what you will do once you realize that the most valuable part of you isn't your labor, but your vision, your taste, and your ability to care. These are the traits that will matter in the world to come. This is only the beginning of our journey into the new era of intelligence, and I hope you're ready for what's next. Ask yourself one last time, who are you without your output? I'll see you in part 2. Thank you for watching. In the next part of this series, we will explore the core trait that AI will never be able to replace: The one thing that makes us truly, uniquely human in an era of machines. But for that, you have to be ready to let go of everything you thought mattered. But for now, ask yourself, who are you without your output? I'll see you in part 2. The shift starts today.